Morning. We just had room service delivered. Yum. So we've see, you get it's 2 eggs in that. So we've both pretty much got the same for breakfast wise. Birch muesli. Cakes. Coffee. Morning.
Oh, morning.
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 Did you not think we were on?
No.
So we've had breakfast in our cabin. And we've just come down to the theatre. We're going to watch a guy that was in the RAF.
He was, during the Cold War.
During the Cold War.
He's also the CEO of the Mary Rose Trust. So it might be interesting.
Thought it might be interesting. We'll see. Catch you later.
Bye.
After lunch in the buffet, we decided to have a little rest in the sunshine by the pool.
We're doing a quiz. Testing my brain out, see if there's one there.
Yeah, I don't think there is.
No.
And just a reminder that this evening we will have the band Synergy up here.
So can we get this, please?
If you want to.
It's only 70 quid.
Yeah, 70. How much lead?
65. Oh.
I'd have that.
Beetroot with mascarpone.
A salmon and a beetroot.
The salmon and the beetroot.
After a rest in the cabin, it was time to get our fancy clothing on for formal night and enjoy dinner in the Veranda restaurant.
These three are from Scotland. It's the relaxation.
It's 35 days dry aged.
Yeah.
Filming me.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to do the lobster cocktail because it's very nice. And then we're going to do the big sharing plate,
Yeah.
which comes with 3 steaks,
You know, 2 steaks.
2 steaks, and some ribs,
Yeah.
short ribs. And yeah. Not sure about size yet.
No. Yeah, got some garlic bread.
Is that garlic bread?
Here's your steak knives.
Ooh.
It's a style steak knives. These are all from Sheffield.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Sheffield knives.
Ooh, like that.
It's pretty.
By the way, when I want,
Thank you.
one please. Bone hand.
It's white one.
Yeah.
It's actually a gentleman's steak knives. Sorry.
You picked right.
Right. My weapon of choice. That's nice.
Baby.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. There's a drawl coming down my chin. What are you doing?
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
So it's the end of our first sea day on Cunard's Queen Victoria.
Yeah.
We've had a lovely day, haven't we?
An absolutely stunning day.
Yeah, we had a good day.
Yeah.
What did we do first? We had breakfast in the cabin.
Of course we did.
Cooked breakfast.
Yum.
It was alright. And it could have been a bit better, but I'm not going to complain because there's not many places
Because it
that
does cook breakfast in your stateroom, I'll tell you.
Definitely not for free.
Yeah.
So overall it was very good. What did we do?
Yeah, what's that lecture?
Stuck in the mind, blimey.
Well, you thought it was boring. I
don't-
fully enjoyed it.
No, that's not fair. I didn't think it was boring. It just
Didn't-
wasn't my
Cup of tea.
range of interest. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you thoroughly
I
enjoyed
loved it,
didn't you?
yeah.
It was an RAF fighter pilot.
During the Cold War.
Yeah. So lots of planes and stuff.
Planes.
Mark found it very interesting. I struggled to stay awake, to be honest. Just because it wasn't my cup of tea, like Mark said. But so we watched that, and then I got some lunch in the buffet. Just had a little salad. What did you have? Chicken lasagna. It was quite nice.
Very nice.
Then we went up to the yacht club for a music quiz. We've not done that before. That was quite fun, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
good laugh, that.
We got 20 out of 27, so we were quite pleased with that.
I'm very pleased with that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Seems we were only a group of 2 and there were a lot of people that
Had 6.
6 or whatever.
Yeah.
That was fun. And then we went and watched the harpist in the Queen's room.
Yeah.
Which was lovely, beautiful.
Harpist / pianist.
Harpist, like, yeah, amazing, very talented.
Yeah.
And then we basically stayed there and had afternoon tea.
Well, you back to your table, basically.
Yeah. Yeah. If you're going to go,
Get there before,
don't
way
wait
before
until 3:30.
3.
Because
you'll be queuing before that.
People were queuing at like 3:10, weren't they? And they hadn't even, all the tables were pretty much full because everybody had been watching the harpist and basically stayed put. So they laid up afternoon tea around us. That was delicious, wasn't it?
It was very
Some
nice.
Little sarnies and little cakes and scone. Or spoon.
Lots of tea.
Lots of tea. I don't like tea, so I asked for a pot of coffee, which they're quite happy to accommodate. Yeah. Had a little browse around the shops.
Huh?
You bought yourself a new little Queen Victoria badge, didn't you? We came back to the cabin for a little bit of a nap because we're both shattered. And got ready for dinner. We had dinner in a steakhouse, Veranda Steakhouse.
Veranda, yes.
Delicious. An extra cover charge for it is $30 per person. We paid in advance. We booked online before we came. It's just lovely, wasn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's really, if you like a nice steak, they do other things, but if you like a nice steak, it's really, really good. We had the platter to share this time, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which, eyes were bigger than belly. We couldn't eat it all.
It's basically 3 steaks.
Yeah. Well, I got the fillet. You get a fillet, a New York strip, and
Louis
a short rib.
Short rib.
So I had the fillet. Mark had the strip steak. And then we were going to share the short rib, but we were both so full.
We had about an inch of it.
We literally just sort of tasted
it.
And you can have as many sides as you want, pretty much. We only had a couple each. They were trying to persuade us to have salads as well.
No, can't do it.
Um,
I had a meat coma.
Yeah. It was really good. Oh, the starters were good as well. You had a lobster cocktail.
That's
and
nice.
I had clam chowder, which was really yummy. And then for dessert, I had a chocolate cookie skillet thing. It was lovely, but God, it was sweet.
Apple pie for me.
Look at this chin, I did not need it. Yeah, and you had apple pie, deep filled apple pie, which actually looked really nice.
Really nice. With ice cream and custard.
Yeah, because it said either or, didn't it? But
Yeah.
I don't think he asked you what you wanted, so they probably just bought
both. I was happy with that. A big thumbs up for that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And coffee. And then we sat and listened to a string trio.
Yeah.
Best way to describe them, for a little bit in the grand lobby. And then we went and had a gamble.
We're up at the moment.
Yeah, we are up.
Yeah, we are
A
up.
little bit up.
Yeah.
Just on the little, 1 cent slot machines. I think we put $10 in. We've currently got about
19.
So we're all right.
Yeah.
And then we were going to see a show, but just we couldn't be bothered. It's just a dance show, which we weren't that interested in. But we haven't seen a show yet, have we?
No.
I'm going to try and go tomorrow, but we want an early start tomorrow because it's Hamburg tomorrow. Tomorrow. So, yeah, earlyish start because, well, actually we don't.
So,
All on board isn't back till 6:30, so it's quite a long day.
I
But
think it sails at 7.
but we'd like to be back like a good couple of hours before it's
Before
due to set.
sail, yeah. Or have at least most of the afternoon on board
Yeah.
doing stuff.
Well, it's just because we panic about missing the ship, basically.
You don't want to miss a ship.
So we like to give ourselves a good 2 hours. So yeah, we want to get up and go at a reasonable time. There is a shuttle in, $7 per person each way, so it's $28 for the shuttle, which seems quite extortionate. We might explore other options. You said that there might be a water taxi, didn't
I think
you?
there might be, but I got to think we're not sure where to get it.
I'm sure there'll be people telling you when you get off. Anyway, we'll see. Probably end up getting the shuttle because we're lazy.
Bite the bullet.
Yeah, we'll see. You want to go to Miniature Wonderland?
Wonderland.
So there'll be lots of filming of little miniature things tomorrow.
But I like that sort of
I know
thing.
you do, darling.
I cannot go past a model village.
Michael loves bottle villages, little railway sets. Bit of a little kid, really, aren't you?
Yeah, all right. I'll give you that.
Hopefully, I might find something I want to do as well.
Oh, you want to do this?
That's a better angle.
Hi.
That's a much better angle. We should do the whole thing again from there.
I'll go sleep.
I'm joking. All right, we will catch up with you in the morning.
All right. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a little subscribe and click the notification bell to keep up to date with our vlogs.